Hi there. Welcome to CPR cell phone repair. Today, we're talking about a very important topic, child safety and tech. From laptops to smartphones and tablets, kids are using more tech than ever before. But how can we ensure they're safe while they explore the digital world? First, let's talk about native safety features. Most devices have built-in tools to help you keep an eye on your child's activity. For laptops, create separate user accounts with restricted privileges and use parental controls to monitor their online actions. On smartphones, you can manage screen time and set content restrictions to block inappropriate apps and websites. Don't forget about location tracking features to always know where your child is. For tablets, use kid-friendly profiles and safe browsing tools. These ensure your child only sees age-appropriate content. Want more control? Apps like Google Family Link, Custodio, and Bark offer advanced monitoring and protection, giving you peace of mind. Remember, staying informed and fostering healthy tech habits is key to keeping your children safe online. Thanks for watching, and visit CPR Cell Phone Repair for more tips on tech safety.